What is up, Grepsoft family? I am so excited and I can't even explain to you about this next upcoming tutorial. It's gonna blow your mind. It is an interactive app that people can use to book tickets. We have a lot of things going on. First of all, you can see there's a nice UI where you can hover over a seat. So this is assuming it's for a theater. And so you can see here's the screen, and this is the seating arrangement. If I hover my mouse over a seat, you can see it tells me the price and the seat number. And you must be thinking, well, what, there are two browser windows? You're gonna see it's pretty exciting. So basically, this is assuming somebody is on a different computer and they log into the app, and then this is, let's say, somebody somewhere else trying to log into the app. So both of them can see interactively which seat is currently being booked and which seat is currently taken and all. Now on top of that, we have backend is Node.js, and we will be using MongoDB, an actual live server MongoDB, and where we store the seat data, and then how when a seat is booked or when a seat is put on hold, that's all stored there. And then we also have payment, so actual live payment. It's not a production server but like a sandbox, so we're using Braintree. And in case you didn't know, Braintree is used by like a lot of, I think, big companies. Uber is one of them. So we'll be actually going to a Braintree, using their services to do the payment, inputting card number, expiry date and all. And then on top of that, we're using WebSockets to do the live communication. And just to add more to it, we'll be using SendGrid API, so that when somebody purchases their, let's say, ticket, we'll send them an email with a confirmation and a ticket number, so then they can, when they go to the venue, they can show that and proceed. So now I'm excited to show you the demo. I'm sure you are as well. There's also the plus and minus icons you can see, so you can zoom in and zoom out. So I think that's pretty cool. So let's try to purchase some seats. So let's say I am user number 1 and I am using on my computer, and then I come in and let's pick a seat. So right away, as you can see, the other user, they can see that that seat is taken, or something is being worked on. So let's say if I click on this seat now, nothing happens. All right, now the other cool thing is we gave the user 10 minutes to purchase a ticket. After that 10 minutes is expired, then they will have they won't have the option to purchase it. I'm starting the seconds from 10 just because I want to show the demo, but of course we're gonna fix it when we do the tutorial to start from 60 seconds. So now let's say I see, you know what, I'm gonna pick this seat because that's probably the best place. So as you can see, that got updated right there, and then also these timer will reset. Well, let's say now this user, they pick their seat. Boom, as you can see it here. If I hit close, that goes back and I can now purchase it. So now let's say I like the seat, I want to purchase it. I'm gonna hit buy, and there you go. So now there's Braintree stuff coming in. So I'm gonna input my email address. Alright, and then I'm gonna input a test card number. I'll show you guys, we can obtain this from Braintree. Alright, then we're gonna input a, let's say expiry date, and let's say pay now. Alright, so processing. Boom, your seat has been booked, please check your email. So you got this confirmation, and at the same time you can see that that seat got booked. Pretty cool, isn't it? And here is the email that I received. So I can see it said, hello, thank you for booking your seat with Ticket Express, and then the seat, so here's D6, and then I have the confirmation number of blah blah blah. So I have tried other seats, and then the email that I got. So there you go, that's your SendGrid in action. Alright, let's try this user. So we're gonna pick this seat, what is I don't know, G7, and let's see if we can buy this one. Oh, you know what, I'm gonna wait for the thing to expire, and you're gonna see what happens when it expires. And there you go. So as you can see, the session expired, and now that seat is released. So now other people can book it, and then I can close. And then at the same time, this user can come in and we can pay for that. If I say pay now, of course you're gonna have to input the email address and all. So I'm gonna close this. As I said, I'm very excited, And this is also responsive, by the way. If I maximize this, boom, boom, so it can be used on mobile and desktop. So I am in the works of preparing all the coding material for you guys. I just want to show you what's coming up next, so you can stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you shortly with this amazing tutorial. Bye for now.